So I'll press here the new button. It will show me all the filters that we have. I need to press either recent or new. Recent is similar to new, but recent has all the new leads that are in today's date. So by default, we land in on new, and our map shows the lead that are in new status that are not assigned yet. We click on a particular lead and we see it detail, and we read all the details that we can see, the price and everything. And in case the customer does not have has a number that Lofty is not sharing with us, we can press this button and always add their number in our system so that we can communicate with them, so that agent can communicate with them. And this is the button that we will use to initiate the invite process. I'm going to press that. It will show the pop-up. It has a date and time. I will choose the date. I will choose the time, and I will choose preferred region. I'll choose LA North. All the agents who have put a LA North in their profile preferred regions will now be located on the map. And this way, I will be able to select them. And I can choose from here as well, like Caleb. I will choose him too, and then I will choose one more guy. Girl, in fact. And then I'm gonna send an invite to Caleb, Edit, and Lourdes, and an invite notification will be sent to them. So this is how we send a notification of invitation to our agents. They see this notification like this. The team, the ICA user account has sent you a notification for a new customer lead, Diana Lindemann, and it is in California, Palm Springs, and this is the date of the appointment. And they will go to the notification and click on it, and it will show them a pop-up. Dan Lindemann is the name of the customer. Palm Spring is the address, the price tag on it, the ICA who initiated this process, the area, and then the date and time of the appointment. And then I'm gonna accept that as well. So Caleb has declined that. He doesn't want to take the lead, Edit and Lourdes have seen that. So I'm gonna show you another case in which Lourdes accepted, but I'm gonna assign this lead to Edit so that I can show you that and push notification was sent to Lourdes that she was not selected. And Edit will get a push notification that she was selected. So let's do this, and let me do this, assign this lead to him. This lead is assigned to someone else, and we are showing to agent who accepted a lead that the lead was not assigned to him and it was assigned to someone else, and it does not arrive in our assignments as well, but it will arrive in edits list. You can see Deanne Lindemann is here in edit list, the assignment that we just gave to her. So we can always go to an agent's on the map. We can click on any agent and we can see their leads. All leads by pressing this button, view all in a list format. And we can see them in a grid view here. Pagination is implemented here as well. We can go to any lead and we can change the status by pressing this button here. And we can give it any other status. And these status, these node, these assignments, everything is in two-way communication with Lofty. We do one thing here, it changes over there in Lofty as well. So we are always pulling our agents from Lofty. We are always pulling the agent's lead from Lofty. So all of this is two-way. And that's it. And Andrew, what you want me to showcase now?
That was good.
Could you show one more time what the message that the agent gets? Does it show, it shows the date, it shows basically the name of the client, the date and the area, and then the price point?
Yeah,
all of that?
it shows on the top, it shows the customer name, and then it shows the location, and then it shows the price, and then it shows ICA who initiated the process, and then it shows the appointment date and time. And below
Okay.
it, it's accept and reject button. So 5 things are there, 7 things are there.
Zishan, we got a ticket request here, my friend. An issue that we have is that if we put the price of the listing in, some agents will try and screen and only do something over 500, or only over 600. So just so that you know, when we launch this to the team, we need to have the price of the lead when it's sent out to the agent for an invitation, not to be there, and the price only shows up when they accept it.
Okay, got it. Lenny, please put it in a ticket in the correct project, related project. Okay, what
Second
next?
question is there a specific list view instead of just a map where you have to, find where they're at, zoom in? Is there a list view where we could just see who's the closest to that particular
It
location?
does show you on the map.
But I mean a list view, so you could just see exactly, in order instead of having to click each individual
So
person.
Zishan, this is an interesting question because what's happening here is you've got people asking you questions who are doing this every day, right? So they're very functional questions, they're very intelligent questions. And really, this has come up several times. So like one, can we take North LA and see a list of all of them and click on them? That was the first iteration of this question. The second was, if I assign to agents, can I pick a number of agents and assign it to a list of agents? And now the same question has come up the third time, which is, if I'm looking at the map, instead of zooming in, clicking, zooming, clicking, can I just see a list and run through the list and click almost like in an email where you select and
Yes.
deselect?
Exactly.
So it's the same question. What they're really asking about is a different or a supplemental user interface that it supplements the map. I know we don't have it now, but it's a really interesting discussion.
Yeah, we will be able to do that, and it's really an interesting question and a feature that we should give. And I think I will talk to it about you. I have an idea with which we can cater this issue. So we'll do it for sure. Lenny, please again put it in a ticket and we'll take care of it from here.
Very good questions. Any other big questions? Because I'm recording this, I'm gonna send it to you guys back later. Things you don't understand, things that aren't clear.
Does it tell you when they downloaded the app and they're ready to actually communicate?
Yes, so this is really good. How does the ICA know or the agent know that the customer has downloaded the app so the communication functionality is operational?
So there is no way as of now that we can know that they have downloaded the application. In fact, we cannot do that because Apple is not giving us this information, but we will track the customer login. If they log in the application, of course, we are making an admin panel in which we'll give a list of customers with their date of their last logins, so that that way they will be able to know that when they had log in the application.
All right,
So
so we're creating, as part of the admin dev, we're creating a list of everybody who's logged in. Is it possible when that login happens, that it sets out an automatic notification to the agent associated with that new connection? And that's how they'll know. So now the information is not coming from Apple Store, it's coming from our admin panel.
I think we need to talk about it in-house in our office with my developers. I think this is possible, but how it is possible, I'm gonna communicate with them and then come back to you about this. This is an exciting feature. I really like.
I like it too. How quickly will the admin panel update that somebody has downloaded the app? It's instantaneous, correct? Or when they've logged in rather. So when they log in, you get instant notifications to the admin panel, correct?
Can you repeat one more time, please? I missed your question.
So when the customer gets sent the SMS link, they now go to the link, they go to the app, they download the app and they log in.
Mhm.
That login will be notified to the admin panel immediately, correct?
That login will be notified to the ICA, I believe, right?
So what I'm asking is does the data point that the customer has now logged into the app, is that data point registered on the admin panel that we see everybody who's logged in? And does that happen in real time? Because if it happens in real time, the minute that real time note is added to the database, we could set a trigger in there for a notification to the agent.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. It is 100% possible, but how we are gonna do this is the thing that we're gonna talk about in our office.
Completely
So-
understand. So that's, you need to make a ticket for that, which is,
Notify admin about the customer's login. This is what, and we need to put it all the details that you were talking about right now.
which customer login and notifies agent / ICA. That's what it should say. Great question. Other questions?
Yes.
It takes me a while to filter through.
Yeah,
I have
they
to picture
all
it in my
together.
brain.
So when we get notified if the buyer either logged in or downloaded the app, can there be a symbol or a color or a word next to their name so we know to do the forfeit text in the app or outside of the app?
This is a very intelligent question. So Jenny's asking, when the customer has logged in, is there an emblem or something that could show up on the customer profile that we would know that they are now a logged in customer? That's very valuable. It's kind of same as the last question. It's asking you the same question, but can you reflect that not only in a push notification to the agent, the ICA, but also by registering it as some sort of badge on the customer's profile?
Yeah, okay, I got it. And yes, everything that we just discussed in the last 3 or 4 points are all related.
This is exactly what we want. Exactly what we want from you guys.
That was smart.
Other questions?
No?
All right, Zishan, you
Thank
must be
you.
really tired. Thank you very much. Don't forget, we're doing this again tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, no worries. No worries, I'm here, guys. And thank you so
Yes.
much.
You
Thank
killed,
you,
you
Zishan.
knocked it out.
Thank
you, guys.
you.
Thank you.